Or this Austin, you are now watching Austin SL TV. Today we'd like to share how to create a dynamic future value projection that will update the output range automatically. Firstly, let's consider the time points. We know that the total number of time points affected by the deferment as well as the projection years. But then, as we can see, the number of compounding periods is not fixed, which means that this could also be a factor. To calculate the correct number of time points that we need, we can first make use of the sum function to total up the number of years that we have, close bracket, and we times the compounding period. But then, as we can see, this cell include number as well as years. We should always bear in mind that if we include words in calculation, value error will be resulted. To overcome this, we can make use of the left function. So bracket, and we choose the cell, comma 2, since we want the first two characters only. Close bracket and press enter, and we should obtain the correct number of time points. If let's say we want to generate a series of number from 1 up to 30 by using this value, we can make use of the sequence function. So in front of sum, we type sequence. Go to the end, close bracket, and press enter, and a series of number up to 30 will be generated automatically. Next, let's move to the future value. When we talk about future value, since we have deferment here, which means that for this case, we should have two arrays. First array without interest, second array with interest. In order to combine two arrays and to be presented vertically, we can type equal to VSTACK. During the deferment year, the future value should be leveled and maintained at this amount, which is the capital. So we select the capital, and now we should consider to generate a series of number for this amount. To generate a series of number, again we should make use of sequence. However, if we include the sequence here, then this amount will be definitely wrong. But doesn't matter, we know that if we times something and divide the same thing, we should get back the same thing. So what we have to do here is times and divide the same thing by using the sequence that we are going to generate here. So we use the sequence function, select the number of years, and we times the compounding period. Again, we need left to remove the first, so we need only two characters. Remember to close bracket to indicate the end of the sequence function. And now we can copy and divide the same value, comma, we move to the second array. For the second array, we call the future value formula. So we need the capital, and we times bracket 1 plus I divided by m. So interest divided by the compounding period. So again, left bracket the cell, comma 2, since we need only two characters, which is the number 12. Bracket again to end this term. We start with bracket, so we end with bracket, and now power. Next, we should have n times m, which is the number of time points that we need. When we talk about number of time points, of course, we must introduce the sequence function so that we can generate the correct number of numbers. Select n, and we times left bracket the compounding period, comma 2, close bracket and close bracket. We should close bracket again to indicate the end of VSTACK function. Press enter, and now we should have a projection that is fully dynamic. Whenever we change the value, the cell will be updated automatically, as we can see here. Even if we change to a different compounding period, we will still obtain the correct number of range, the correct projection. And this is fully dynamic, as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this. See you.